So check this out. Tonight I'm going to show you how I cook a steak. I order my steaks 1.5 inches thick, and I'm going to show you how to cook a medium rare to that, because that's what we like. First, you get your grill screaming hot. In this case, a little over 500 degrees. I've already cleaned it off. So now we'll get the steaks on. So we're a little over 500 degrees. I'm going to put the steaks on in between the two fires, and I'm going to set them at an angle. And then I'm going to set my timer for 2 minutes, and then we'll turn them 45 degrees. Okay, they've been cooking about 2 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them 45 degrees. That'll give you the cross hatch marks that you're looking for on the bottom of the back of your steak. And at this point, I'm going to put a pat of butter on each one. And then we'll set the timer again. Okay, 2 more minutes, now we turn them over. And see those really pretty crosshatch marks you get? And we'll do it the same way. 2 more minutes. Now what you're looking for, I'm gonna show you a little trick. To get them however done you want, let's go well, medium, medium rare, which is what we like. Put your finger and your thumb and your forefinger together and feel that. That's how you want them to feel for medium rare. To put these together, it's a little bit tighter. That's what you want for medium, medium well, and well done. So feel how tight that is and how it changes as you go. I'm going to take mine to right there. And there's my timer. So we turn them 45 degrees again. Get those beautiful cross hatch marks on them. Add another, well, that pat of butter went down there. So add another pat of butter. In this case, a half. And set the timer for 2 minutes. And for those wondering how I season these, I season these about an hour before I put them on. And I season them only with salt, sea salt is what we use. So I use salt, fresh ground pepper, and some garlic powder. Not garlic salt, garlic powder. I did that on each side, rubbed it in good, and let them sit for about an hour. Well, Billy, why the butter? Well, it does two things. Some of that butter will melt down into the steak itself, but it also just gives it a little more richness. Okay, the steaks have been cooking a total of about 8 minutes. 2 minutes at each crosshatch. And I want to feel this and compare it to that. And that's feeling pretty good. Maybe just a little bit soft. So what I'm going to do is give it 1 more minute. Okay, they should be ready to come off now. That feels pretty good. Now you want to let these rest a good 3 to 5 minutes before you start cutting into them. And go in and get ready. Well, I ever wanted to admit my mistake. In all honesty, I probably should have cooked those steaks another minute on each side because of how dense they were. They were a little more dense than I had anticipated. So they were actually in between rare and medium rare, but it was still good. Oh, would you look at that? Perfectly medium rare. Warm pink center. How's it taste? Oh my gosh. Y'all know I like food, but really good steak, and it needs nothing else. No steak sauce, no nothing. You just ruin it. It's perfect. Give her a try. You might like it.